Molly always loved animals and the environment. She decided to go vegan for a week to do her part to help the planet. At first, she was overwhelmed with all the restrictions, but soon she discovered a whole new world of delicious plant-based foods. After a week, she didn't want to go back to her old diet. She realized that small changes can make a big impact, so she committed to following a vegan diet long term. Plant Power Day was founded in 2016 to promote sustainability and compassionate living. The creators wanted to show how plant-based diets can benefit healthy animals and the planet. The event encourages people to try meat-free, plant-powered meals for just one day, in hopes that they will continue the practice even after the day ends. Plant Power Day is important because industrial animal agriculture strains natural resources and contributes to deforestation, pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing plant-based foods, people can lower their environmental footprint and reduce suffering for billions of animals. A vegan diet can also decrease the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. On Plant Power Day, people celebrate by trying new vegan recipes and meat alternatives. Some cook plant-based versions of traditional dishes like vegan burgers, chili, lasagna, or tacos. Others visit their local vegan eatery to show support. Many share photos of their vegan meals on social media using the hashtag #PlantPowerDay to spread awareness about sustainable eating. Plant Power Day inspires compassion for animals and the planet. While going completely vegan may not suit everyone, meatless Mondays or trying veganism for a day can make a meaningful impact over time. For Molly, sticking with her vegan diet after Plant Power Day allowed her to improve not just her own health, but also the well-being of animals and the environment. She discovered that she felt better physically and emotionally knowing she was living in line with her values. Her story shows how one small action can lead to lifelong change. Overall, Plant Power Day promotes more sustainable and ethical food choices for a healthier planet. Reducing reliance on animal products and embracing plant-based nutrition is a simple step anyone can take for the good of all. March 7 is Plant Power Day. Here is our painting with oil pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Plant Power Day. Cheers!